races again. There he goes. He wants that big older dog to chase him, but I don't think she's going to do much chasing of him. He's got a lot of spunk, that little one does. But he's only like, what, 8 months younger than she is. And that's the little Chihuahua. She wants to play too. She didn't realize how small she is. Well, I guess Mama's
asserting dominance.
Asserting dominance, yeah. So is he off and running again? Yep, there he goes. Little one up on the shed.
Like 2 ran.
Okay. You're so funny. They'd be lost without each other, though. That's for sure. Oh, you just tell him, Sasha. Tell him to stop that.
Now she's calming down.
And the older dog is